Welcome back. This is Junior Pixel. In our previous tutorials, we did the addition, the delete, and the reset functionality in our CRUD operation. Over here, we are going to do the read operation. We're going to get the details or the data in the database in this very box here, the data grid view. Over here, we're going to get the data over here. So let's go ahead to do that. In our code here, let's go to the very top and create a function. We're going to call this function the private void fetch students. Alright, so we're going to say string query. We're going to fetch all the students in the database. We're going to write this MySQL command, select all from the student table. Just simple as that. We're going to need data set, and data set is a library in C#. Data set ds is equal to new data set. In fact, we've not imported it, so we're going to see an error. So when you press Alt plus enter, we're going to see these options. So we need this one, using system.data. That's it. Then you say data view DB. Alright. Then we're also going to need MySQL data adapter is equal to new MySQL data adapter. Alright, then go ahead and try this. Don't forget to catch the error that will happen. Exception X. Let me see. Message box dot show ex dot message. Alright, so here we have to open the connection, db.open connection. Then we say MySQL command is equal to new MySQL command query db.connection. Alright, then you say adapter dot select command is equal to command adapter. Then we fill this adapter with the data set that we had. Adapter.fill yes. Then we close our connection, db.close connection. So we're going to get this data in our front end or in the data grid view. So dv is equal to ds, the data set dot tables, and it's the first table dot default view, the default view. So that data grid view, this one, let me show you this one, the name. Where's the name? This is it. Oh, sorry. It's to data. Alright. Data source. Like I said earlier, if you want to get the value in the text boxes, we're going to use the text. In the data grid view, you're going to use the data source is equal to db. Alright. So that's all for the fetch data. So after every operation, we're going to fetch the data. When we add a student, we have to fetch the data. So this is the first student. And after deleting the student as well, we have to fetch the data. So let's see if this is working. Okay, over here, whenever we load the form, we have to fetch the data as well. So you double click on the title bar of the form, then it will bring you here. Then say fetch data or fetch student. Alright, so let's run our application and see. Alright, so here we are, we have our data in the front end. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and add a student and see what we get. This is Soli at ug.com. Then you see CS. When we add Soli, this is it, we have it here and it is cleared as well. So let's say we want to delete this student. So in fact, you can try to manipulate the data here to still not work. Let's say I've deleted this. It will load it for you to see. It will not work unless you delete it with this button. So we are trying to delete this student. So if you click here, student deleted successfully. You see, it has been refreshed and we have our updated data here. So that is it. That's all for the read operation. In the next tutorial, we're going to do the update functionality in the CRUD operations. Thank you. Stay tuned.